Hey you guys, it's Tony with the beginning of the month garden tour. This is my mint and my rosemary growing in ever so nicely since I put the netting up. And then these are my golden cherry tomatoes. These are so delicious. I've been picking these and popping them. Oh my God, they are so good, so delicious. I've made some, had them in my salad and have given some away as well. There's my turnips growing in nicely. This netting really made a difference. My oregano, I can't wait to make the oil of oregano with you guys. Some more mint and basil and cilantro. Another tomato tree doing well. Here's my lavender just hanging out, and cilantro. There's my pink jasmine. It's just going crazy over here. And you guys, there's my corn. Look at the corn. Look how beautiful that looks. And you'll see in the other video, I just gave these tomato trees a nice trim, so they're looking good. Here's my basil. I pulled one basil out because it just wasn't doing well. It was a Genovese. The bugs had gotten to it before I came and cleaned things up. The purple is hanging on for dear life, but there's some new leaves coming in, so I'm going to leave it. And everything else looks good. Look at my citronella, unbelievable. And it just smells delightful too. Some more peppers. Here's another tomato tree. I've been stocking up my tomato trees, my plants, because they're all been getting so big. Look how beautiful my lavender, my aloe is. Look how beautiful that is. And then here's my latest cucumbers. They're growing up nicely. I'm trying to train them up the trellis. We'll see that end result. And here's my white jasmine, fragrant and beautiful. Here's some eggplants I put in. They're coming up nicely. These are some sunflowers, mixed flowers, and sage. That is sage you see in there. I threw a bunch of seeds in there, and that's what's coming up. Another cherry tomato. And then here we have a cucumber, the little imperfect cucumber, but I grew it, so we will be eating it. You can see my tomatoes are coming into color right here. Look how beautiful those tomatoes are. Okay, I think I might have a little damage in that one though. I might pull it and see what's going on later. And I think ultimately the lesson I learned was I put too much in this bed. So, yeah, but I have more eggplants coming in down there, so I'm gonna leave it. And then I got the big cucumber here, and these are my hot peppers that are growing in. Thai peppers, Thai chilies, I should say, that are growing. I'm really happy with. And then there's some more basil back down in there, right there. And the other stuff, yeah. So there you have it. I put marigolds everywhere. Okay, and there you have it, a little garden tour. Things are looking good. Oh yeah, and this cilantro that I let the seed comes down, it's sprouting out there, so that's fun as well. All right, you guys, that's the beginning of August garden tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.